playing the weather, and then it began making this noise. That's not good. Like, it was giving a flood advisory, and then now it's just doing this.
Near latitude 22.2 north, longitude 75.2 west. EAS is moving toward the northwest near 16 miles per hour, and a general northwestward motion with some degree of forward speed is expected for the day, followed by a turbulent northwest.
Oh boy, that was scary.
Track. The center of EAS will continue to move near or
that was actually scary.
Today. EAS is forecast to be near the central Bahamas tonight and move near or over.
That was actually creepy.
Saturday afternoon through Sunday. Data from the reconnaissance aircraft indicate the maximum sustained winds are near 75 miles per hour with higher gusts. Strengthening is expected later today and tonight, and EAS is forecast to remain a hurricane for the next few days. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 35 miles from the center, and tropical storm. Hazardous weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for southeast Maryland, northeast North Carolina, central Virginia, east central Virginia, eastern Virginia, north central Virginia, south central Virginia. The areas affected include Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to Little Creek, Virginia, entrance to the Chesapeake Bay including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, at 5:31 p.m. Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to around 30 knots. These thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Point Comfort to Cabbage Patch to near Fisherman's Island, moving east at 25 knots. Locations impacted include New Point Comfort, Latimer Shoal, Plantation Light, Ship Shoal Inlet, Crypto Peak Concrete Ships, York Spit Reef, Buoy 36A, The Hub, The Cell, Cherry Stone Reef, Cabbage Patch, Cape Charles Harbor and Quimby Inlet. Mariners can expect gusty winds to around 30 knots, locally higher waves, and lightning strikes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Hazardous weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for southeast Maryland, northeast North Carolina, central Virginia, east central Virginia, eastern Virginia, north central Virginia, south central Virginia, and southeast Virginia. Tonight, scattered thunderstorms are expected. Spotter activation may be needed. Air temperature was 80. The wind was east at 5 knots. Brandywine Shoal Light, Delaware. Winds were north, 2 knots.
Oh, okay, here we go. Special marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning
Ha!
for
Called
coastal
it!
waters from Cape Charles Light to the Virginia/North Carolina border out 20 nautical miles Caribbean Sound until 6:30 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., strong thunderstorm was located near Sand Bridge, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Buoy for Adridox around 6:05 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A chance of showers in the late evening and overnight.
Okay, everybody, it looks
Sunday,
like it's beginning to clear
southwest
up, so
wind
I guess
10
I'll
to
end the video
15
here.
knots.
So shut up and goodbye, everybody.